Hello friends, the topic of today's video is an Indian festival, Makar Sankranti. Here I'll be giving you 10 lines which can be used as an essay or a speech. So let us begin. Makar Sankranti is a vibrant and auspicious festival celebrated in various parts of India with great fervor and enthusiasm. This festival is observed on January 14th or 15th and is dedicated to the Hindu religious sun god Surya. It marks the transition of the sun into the zodiac sign of Capricorn, Makar, and hence named as Makar meaning Capricorn, Sankranti meaning transition. This celestial event signifies the end of the winter solstice and the beginning of longer days, symbolizing the arrival of warmer and more favorable agricultural conditions. It is also a harvest festival. People express gratitude for the bountiful harvest and pray for a good crop in the coming year. The festival holds cultural significance across India and is celebrated in numerous forms reflecting diverse cultures and traditions. From the vibrant kite festivals in Gujarat and Rajasthan to the sacred river baths in states like Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, Makar Sankranti is a united festival of diverse Indians. It is known with different names like Uttarayan in Gujarat and Rajasthan, Mag Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Lodi in Punjab, etc. This festival also witnesses the preparation and exchange of traditional sweets made with sesame seeds and jaggery like til laddu and gajjak. Makar Sankranti, a unifying celebration of diverse traditions, symbolizes shared joy, gratitude, prosperity, and sense of togetherness. So that was it, friends. Thank you. If you like the video, friends, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also do subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed it. And yes, if you have any memories related to this festival, do share it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.